out here, boys. So this is the next day. I'm editing. I was trying to edit. I tried to get the clips off of his camera, and ended up just being way dark, so you can't even see anything. But the screen looked like you could see a little bit of it, but I guess it didn't get anything. So all this is right here is like pretty much us helping like random people trying to take out a truck because the clips off the camera were just really dark and you can't even see anything. So back to the video. Is that a bunny? Where's it?
Yo!
Come on, help us.
With what?
My car's stuck.
Yeah, we'll give you a hand.
It is a bunny, bro. What if it's a rat?
Right there, look. Oh, there's a.
Oh, good. I wonder if it'll bite me. Most likely. Let's get it.
Where is it?
Right there we go. Right there.
Bowen! Give her the beans! Give her the beans! Yeah, bro, that shit's just digging itself deeper, man.
What if you go reverse?
Rubber.
Oh, that was rubber.
Yeah, bro, that's
Bro, look.
digging itself deeper.
Look at that shit, bro.
Oh wait, what if you go reverse?
Reverse!
Have you tried it?
We've done reverse everything.
What was that?
Is the fork kicking in or not?
Want me to put it in reverse and you guys wait for the front end?
Fuck, did the beans help, bro?
On you go. Hey.
Ponla en.
Should I just leave it on neutral or drive?
I say drive.
Yeah, drive.
It's better.
Go.
Go.
Drive.
Push. Let's go, boys! Woo! Yeah!
Thank you.
It's out.
Get back up the hill, right?
Logan, I think you're fucked. You gotta go down.